Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable regional pricing in Roblox. It's very easy, and to get here is easy as well. And as you can see right here, it's just an example on the marketplace of regional pricing. Now this one will basically be applied automatically if the creator themselves, what they do, they come to create.roblox.com, and then they just from their dashboard click on creations and then choose their experience. So let's say this server right here, and then they come here to monetization, and what they do is go to passes, okay? And then right here they can enable regional pricing to adjust prices for local economies, and basically in that space they'll have activate regional pricing. So the creator needs to enable this, and for you, it'll automatically be enabled as the user. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.